Welcome to my craft area. I'm Anna Hellman and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's look at today's project. Sometimes it's hard to come up with masculine cards that work for the men in your life. I know for me, it is really easy to collect feminine sets and flowers and pretty things, but having masculine sets in your collection is really important too. So today we're going to make this really cute masculine Father's Day card with this handsomely suited bundle, and we have the help of someone here. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Hi. She is excited to be here while I'm making some videos today, and she's excited to help. So this set is in our current mini catalog, and it has these cute ties. Maybe cute's not the right word to use. These handsome and masculine ties and some really nice masculine greetings. I know sometimes when I'm looking for masculine greetings for my cards, I have a hard time finding them in the sets that I have chosen for myself. So this one's really nice because it has Father's Day, birthday, thank you to one of the world's greatest dads. That could be for any of these occasions. And a you're the best. So this kind of covers the bases for the men in your life. Then take a look at this die set. You can do some amazing things with this. You can make suits and ties. You can make, I've seen doctor's coats. It has the necktie, the bow ties, the lapels and the collars and the buttons, pieces for suspenders. You can really do a lot with this set. And I've seen, like I said, uniforms, doctor's coats, other things made out of this as well. So our helper is showing us the inside of the card. It says to one of the world's greatest dads with a little bow tie down at the bottom. So let's talk about what we need to create this. We need a Knight of Navy card base that measures 5.5 by 8.5, folded in half. Piece of the well-suited designer paper. This coordinates with the stamp and die bundle I just showed. That measures 4 by 4. And I'm going to tell you why this measures 4 by 4. You could cover the entire front if you wanted with a 4 by 5.25 piece that would leave just a little bit of the base showing. I did 4 by 4 because I made this for a class recently with a lot of people coming, and the 4 by 4 allows me to get more of those pieces out of a 12 by 12 piece of paper. I don't have any waste that way. So that's why I use 4 by 4.
Can you do this side?
We can do that side. Is that the side you want to do?
Yeah.
You can always choose whichever side of that designer paper you like the best. Now I have 2 die cuts I already prepared. The tie, here is the cute little pocket. And let me show you, a lot of the pieces in this set have little stitching on them with the extra little details. So this pocket is one of them.
Can I put dimensionals back here?
Yes. Then I have a piece of white that measures 1.25 by 2.5. And a piece for the inside that measures 4 by 5.25. So we'll get started with stamping the inside piece and this tag on the front because that is all the stamping we have for this project. Yeah. Using my Knight of Navy ink. Just hold on to it for a second. So I am using the stamp for this tag that says have a happy Father's Day, handsome.
Mommy, when can I place this on?
And for the inside, we will use
I want to stamp.
the to one of the world's greatest dads.
Can I stamp the bow tie?
You can stamp the bow tie, little miss.
Yippoo.
So have her add that on. While she's doing that, I can start assembling. So little miss wants the gray part showing for the top, for the shirt. That is one of the nice things about our designer papers. You always have 2 sides to choose from. So we'll put that on here. Now, she already has this tie ready for us, so we'll put the tie here.
Chamois.
Do you have we put a few on the back of the pocket?
Oh, yeah.
So we'll get dimensionals on the back of the pocket and on the back of the tag as well.
Right there?
Can you get it straight?
Yeah.
Can you pull it down some? That looks a little high to me. Yeah, that looks better. Just good. We'll put the greeting tag right here.
Jammy.
So there's the front completed. Now I will just add a little bit of adhesive in here. Chamois, you're wanting to clean off the stamp already. Sometimes things get a little crazy when my helper is helping. There's a lot going on sometimes. So there you go. Have a happy Father's Day, handsome, to one of the world's greatest dads. So I just think this is a really neat set. Definitely one that's great. Like I said, if you feel like you don't have a lot of masculine stamps and dies in your collection, this is a really nice one. So thanks for joining in today. Thanks so much for joining in today. For more information and links to the products used today, click in the video description box down below to visit my website. Make sure you also click down below to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell to receive notifications when I share new videos. I truly appreciate you being here, as well as every like, share, and comment that I receive. I'll see you again next time when I'll be back helping you to hand make with love.